Have you ever seen a toy floating inside a spaceship and wondered why on earth do astronauts carry a stuffed animal into space? Well, it's not just a cute mascot. It's actually one of the first scientific instruments to confirm we are really in space. Today, let's explore the fascinating story behind the zero gravity indicator, the simplest yet most emotional gadget astronauts take beyond Earth's atmosphere. How do astronauts know they are in space? When a rocket launches, there is a fire, vibration, and noise. But at one magical moment, everything goes silent and weightless. That is when astronauts know they have reached microgravity. But how do they confirm it visually? Simple. When the zero G indicator starts to float, they know they are officially in space. What is a zero G indicator? A zero gravity indicator is usually a small, lightweight object, often a soft toy, charms, or personal keepsake. It's not dangerous, has no sharp edges, and easily fits in one hand. But beyond the cuteness, it serves a purpose. It's the first visible sign of weightlessness. These indicators act like mini motion sensor. When the spacecraft turns or engines fire, the toy reacts, showing yaw, pitch, and roll movement. In other words, a floating toy can become a pilot's first instrument in microgravity. Why it's more than just science? But astronauts say it's a more than just science. It's a reminder of home. Every mission's zero G indicator has an emotional story. Sometimes it's a gift from their children, sometimes from a loved one. When you are floating 400 kilometers above Earth, that small toy becomes your emotional anchor, a symbol of everyone supporting you back home. Global space tradition. This tradition is not limited to NASA. Russian cosmonauts on Soyuz missions, Indian scientists with ISRO, and even private space companies continue this practice. For instance, SpaceX crews often carry plush dinosaurs, while Indian missions sometimes include symbolic idols or cultural objects representing India's spirit. NASA's public challenge, Design Your Own. In 2024, NASA's Artemis 2 crew decided to invite the public to design their zero G indicator, a small symbol that would travel around the moon. Anyone from the USA to India could send their creative ideas. It was not about making the toy. NASA engineers at the Goddard Space Flight Center would build it. It was about creativity, about taking your imagination to space. Why this matters? These little floating toys remind us that space exploration is not just about rockets and science. It's about human. Every astronaut carries a part of their family, culture, and country into the vast unknown. And when that toy starts floating, it's like Earth itself is saying, "You made it." So, next time you see a toy drifting in a spacecraft, remember it's not just floating fluff. It's a science, emotion, and humanity all rolled into one. Tell us in the comment what you sent to the moon as your 0G indicator.